People who quit their jobs on the first day, what was your I'm outta here moment? I got a job at this Build-A-Bear knockoff at the far end of a quiet mall. The interview was weird. An older couple owned the place and said they had originally wanted to open a Chick-fil-A, but they didn't have the $1 million needed for it. On my first day, there was only one other girl working. She barely spoke to me, gave me no training, and then disappeared into the back. I was left standing under this giant mushroom that was part of the register area. A mom and her little boy walked in to look at the bear skins, so I greeted them and let them browse. They left after a few minutes. And that's when my coworker reappeared, holding the phone. She handed it to me. It was my boss. He told me he was watching and wanted me to come out from under the mushroom whenever a customer walked in. When I hung up, I asked my coworker about it, and she casually mentioned that the owners had cameras set up all over the place. They watched from their house and called in constantly. I didn't go back after that day.